Hi, this is a quick demo of my Samsung Family Hub fridge freezer. It's sort of fully connected to the internet now, so it can pick up a lot of smart media. So at the moment I've got Spotify playing using my iPhone, using Spotify Connect. Also the other features it's got is, if I go over here, I've set up the TV. So give it a few seconds. Okay, so with this I can change channels. Which is very useful, especially in a flat that I've got. It means that I've got very limited room, so I haven't got room for TV, I haven't got counter space or anything like that for it. So the idea of having a big fridge freezer full of food and all these features built in is really useful. So if I go back, I've also got tuning, which means I can choose that. I can view inside the fridge as well. As you can see, there's lots of weird and wonderful stuff in there. If I had a Samsung phone, I'd be able to use the phone mirroring, so it'd actually bring that all up. I've got the internet, so I can bring up features there. So I have my shopping list, and I've got the features of what I can actually set each part of the fridge freezer up. I've got Samsung Connect, so I can actually do some of this remotely, so I don't actually need to do everything here. I can actually do it all remotely. And that's it. That's my quick whistle stop tour. Hope you enjoyed it.